Hey there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Toby Knox, a criminal critter from Poppy Playtime, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the nose. So right in the middle here we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then on each side we're just going to curve this line around and through towards a point at the top, creating the nose. Let's step over. On the left hand side we're going to curve this line out. And then we'll replicate that on the right hand side. Now from here on the side here, we're just going to curve this line out. We're going to arch this around and through towards the middle. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line out and over towards the left. Let's start back on this line. We're going to curve this out. And then to close off the bottom of the mouth from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back in. Let's add a small detail line on the bottom, drawing in a small curved line. And then right beside the mouth, we're just going to add another detailed line, curving that in. Now for the nostrils, we're going to curve this line up, around, and down. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw on the teeth. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes in, and then we're going to draw in the letter V. We're going to draw in a smaller letter V beside this, and then we're just going to again bring this line through. Now let's focus on the cheek. So stepping up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this around and through towards the center. And then we're going to step across on the right, lining that up at the exact same height, finishing that off, blending that together. Let's move up for the eyebrow now. So we're going to step up, curving this through towards the top. We're going to leave a gap, replicating that on the left. On the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line over and then up on the side. We're going to do the same thing on the left. This one's just going to be a little bit wider. So we're going to curve this out, bringing that back in. And now let's draw on our eyes. So on the inside here, we're going to curve this down. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, just bringing that down towards the nose. On the right hand side, let's curve this line around and then back in towards the bottom. And then again, replicating that on the left hand side, scooping that through. Let's draw on an arch line right underneath. Stepping it further over, we're going to curve this around and up. And then stepping in again, let's replicate that on the side. Now let's color in the eyes black. Let's close off the top of the head. So right in the middle here, coming up in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the cheek. And then let's do the exact same thing, stepping over on the right hand side, bringing that through and then back down. We're just going to draw in a little scar on the top here. So we're going to curve this line over. And then we're just going to draw in 3 diagonal lines, stepping through as we come across. Let's draw on the right ear. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line out, around, and then in. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to step up, curving this around, down, and through on the side. We're just going to add a small detail line in the center of the ear now. So we're going to curve this line around and through towards the side of the head. Now let's step over for the left arm. We're going to curve this line out. And then we're going to bend this at the elbow, so we're going to round that out, curving that over and then back in. Now on the top here, let's curve this line over and through. And then for the bottom of the arm on the inside, just curving that back across. Let's add in the bracelet here. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over, coming down on a diagonal. Let's replicate that. Now from here, we're going to draw in a circle on the left and right hand side. So one on the left. Let's leave a gap, stepping over on the right and replicating that. Now moving over on the side, we're just going to draw in a sideways triangle. We'll do the exact same thing on the top right. Let's close off the hand. So stepping underneath for the pinky, we're going to curve this around and up. Moving in to the middle, replicating that again. And then one more time as we step over, curving that around and through. Now let's move down. We're going to close off the side of the torso here. So we're just going to arch this line around and up towards the top. And then on the right hand side, we're going to leave a gap, curving this around and then back in. Let's draw in a small curved line right in the center. For the center of the stomach, stepping over on the left hand side, we're going to curve this all the way around. And we're going to bring this back through and up on the right hand side. Let's draw in the wrench in the middle here. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the top. We're going to leave quite a big gap, doing the exact same thing on the bottom. From each of these, we're going to draw in a slight diagonal line coming in, ending those at the exact same height. And then from that point on the top, we're going to curve this around, over, and then back in. Now in the middle, stepping over on both sides, let's draw in a straight line coming up towards the top. And then for the necklace here, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line coming through. Stepping across for the right arm, we're going to curve this line out. And then now from here for the top of the arm, we're just going to arch this line through. Let's step across, lining that up at a similar height. We're going to curve this line in. And then bending that at the elbow, we're just going to flatten this out as we bring that in towards the side of the body. Let's draw in another bracelet. So we're going to close this off with a curved line right on the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing, leaving a gap on the bottom. In the middle, stepping over on both sides, we're going to draw in a circle. And now on each side, again, we're just going to draw in a triangle. Now let's draw in our thumb. So from this corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's come over for the pinky first. So stepping out, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from this line, we're going to continue to curve this around and in on the side of the arm. Now that we have these connected together, we're going to draw in the rest of the finger. So we're just going to curve this line out and back in. Stepping up, closing that off. Now let's draw on the leg. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to bring our diagonal lines out, ending those at the exact same height. For our feet, we're going to curve this line out, pointing that line, bringing that back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. And now stepping over again, just curving this line out, bringing that back in. Now let's draw in a diagonal line, bringing that up towards our hand. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right, bringing that in towards the torso. Now let's step over. We're going to curve this line across on both sides. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right and left-hand side. Lastly, let's just draw on the tail. So coming in behind underneath the hand, we're going to curve this line up. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back around and in towards the side of the leg. Let's step up. We're going to curve this line over. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this back down. Again from here, curving this out. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this up, down, and then back in towards the bottom of the tail. And that is it. That's how you draw Toby Knox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.